Good.
Very clever, yes.
Very smart.
Yeah.
I might have to do that.
Yeah, just one key cake and then you're done.
But I already messed up. I had some yesterday.
You did?
Yeah.
Whitney.
I know. I heard it was wrong. What y'all gonna do?
You don't care about it. No, she said without controversy earlier.
Right. What y'all gonna do? Who's gonna fight me? Okay. I had a piece and it is what it is.
I mean, it's a cinnamon cake.
It's so good. Yeah. I couldn't help myself. Period.
Yeah. So good. And so many different kinds. It's fun in that time of year.
I'm excited about this. It's gonna be good. None of them were my favorite from yesterday, so I think we're all right.
Okay. Well,
you would know. Are we gonna have some rain on Mardi Gras?
Yeah. Well,
that's a long way away.
That's the big question. Yeah. And leading up to it, of course, we have tons of parades. And of course, today we had our first parades, and we were treated to pretty good weather. I saw a lot of people bundled up, very prepared for the cold. Our temperature was really only about 50 or so, and now we're sitting at 49 degrees. Our winds calm at this point, and if you look closely, you can sort of see we have some high cirrus clouds, but not a ton of cloud cover tonight. But I do think we'll start off chilly, and we have a pretty end to the weekend tomorrow. Sunday looking nice and cool. As we move into Monday, actually the morning looks fine. We'll be chilly. It starts pretty quiet, but then during the day Monday, that's when we're expecting not only a warm front moving in to warm us up, but also windy weather on Monday all the way through Tuesday morning, and also stormy weather. That's that system that we've been talking about that will bring us a pretty decent amount of rain, maybe a couple inches plus, and then also a threat of at least a couple of severe storms, mostly afternoon and evening on Monday. But I'll show you the timing in detail in a second. Here are current temperatures in the 40s. Overnight, partly cloudy skies expected north of the lake, lows in the upper 30s, and south of Lake Pontchartrain. Low temperatures mainly in the middle 40s. Here is a look at your overnight temperatures. So this would be for tomorrow morning. Pretty cold start, so if you're going for an early run, may want to add a layer or something, but we're looking fine through the day. We'll be warming up nicely into the upper 50s, so staying cool, but overall a pleasant day. We'll have that sunshine with some of those clouds increasing, you may notice through the day, especially those higher clouds. So here's your forecast for tomorrow. Again, a little more sun and breaks of blue sky at the beginning of the day, and then we'll have some of those higher clouds really building up and hovering over us for the late evening. And temperatures cool in the 50s. We're dry tomorrow. No rain expected tomorrow or tomorrow night. Here we are. You can see very quiet, but look at this kind of movement that you see here. This is our next system that is eventually going to send a front our way, and out ahead of that, we will get some warmer air moving in. That will make it a little more unstable, and that will be part of what is setting us up for that next system to maybe bring a few of those severe storms. So we're at the level 2 out of 5 severe risk categories, and what we'll look for mainly is just a few storms bringing high wind gusts and maybe a few tornadoes. Now that's not a good thing, but the risk you can see is 2 out of 5. Again, this is pretty common for us to have when we have a strong system moving in, but we'll keep our eye on it. Things could still change a little bit as we get a better idea of it heading toward Monday afternoon and evening. The European rainfall totals estimated by that model 2 to about 4 inches. The GFS is pretty similar, about maybe 1 to 3 or 4 it has. So clearly we have enough rain coming within just maybe, several hours. This will be spread out from afternoon through the overnight. But if we do have a heavier pocket of rain, we could easily see a bit of isolated street flooding here or there late Monday or very early Tuesday. Although for the daytime hours on Tuesday, I think we will be dry. This will be Monday, second part of the day especially, and into Monday night, wrapping up overnight. So this is tomorrow. Just wanted to show you as you make your plans, looking fine. This is Monday morning, 7 a.m. So commuting looking fine for the early part of the day. But look at this, 10, 11 a.m. getting toward lunchtime, starting to see some rain beginning to arrive. And then here are a few of those heavier storms possible late Monday. This is 4 p.m. and then we'll go forward to about 10 p.m. Now we might actually have a couple of waves, one afternoon and evening, but look, we might start to dry out for a couple of hours. But then the front itself, the cold front, starts to move in. So this could be Tuesday, maybe 3 a.m. Exact timing will almost certainly change a bit, but we are expecting kind of the big finale with this system is a line of storms that will mostly be out of here before sunrise. So if this holds, this would be about 5 a.m. and then we'll be waking up by 6, 7 a.m. if you wake up around that time to drier conditions, but staying windy. Also wanted to point out Monday noon all the way through Tuesday morning, we have a wind advisory. That will be winds up to 35 miles per hour sustained, gusting to near 50 miles per hour. So a windy setup, even when you're not getting a thunderstorm. It will just be kind of a windy feel those days. Tuesday we dry out though, and it looks pleasant midweek.
We sit less than 14 hours away from the Saints season finale against the Falcons. The mindset going into a game with major